How you doing? I'm Henry from New Look Home Design. So I just wanted to let you know we're going over a couple things today, showing wind damage. If you see these shingles right here, it's all crease from the wind flapping up on the shingle, so it's lost a lot of granular. This is what classically known as wind damage, and we can possibly get you covered for a whole new roof at little to no out-of-pocket costs at all for you. Our team at New Look Home Design is working very hard right now to get everybody approved while we can. So if you have any questions, please give us a call.